The Moto G53 is furnished with amazing features overall to promote better communication. Apart from the latest Android V12 OS, this device gets a massive battery panel backed by an attractive processor layout for you to operate throughout the day. However, the inbuilt storage space could have been better provided that the device is getting a hybrid SIM setup. Display and camera. The Moto G53 comes with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD, featuring a 20:9 aspect ratio. This display stands at a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels with a striking pixel density of 270 pixels per inch. It is also bezel-less with a punch hole for the selfie camera. The back of the smartphone houses two cameras. You get a 50MP primary camera and a 8 megapixels macro camera. Moto G53 comprises digital zoom, auto flash, autofocus, HDR mode, ISO control and face detection. Additionally, the front has a single 16 megapixel selfie camera. Configuration and battery. The Moto G53 is geared with Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset and an Android V12 OS. It also gets an octa-core CPU, running at a clock speed of 2.2 GHz, highest. A 4 GB RAM and Adreno 619 GPU sort out the multitasking needs. Moto G53 gets a 5000 mAh battery capacity, which is Li polymer by type, non-removable and compatible with 18W fast charging. Storage and connectivity. In this model, the internal memory is 128 GB. This storage can be further expanded up to 1 TB. Moto G53 is perfectly compatible with 4G networks. On the other hand, it supports mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.2, Wi-Fi 802.11, GPS, and a USB Type-C for better connectivity.